Come test drive the 2019 Arteon. The Volkswagen Arteon offers plenty of convenience and functionality by utilizing 4 doors and a hatchback. A comfortable ride, plenty of high-quality finishes, and the overall utility of this vehicle makes it one you want to take a look at, and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, security system, low tire pressure warning. Come take a test drive today.